And there is a serious fire in the NDC as a political party surrounding Baba Jamal and NDC impending for Uko media and so abusia Mustapha Gbande. Deputy General Secretary to the NDC. Any NDC communicators, some of the NDC TikTokers have sent this 10 warning. In fact, Omar fire back at majority leader Mahama Ayariga say, hey, no Osimu say, no no to the crater about one thing but nullify electoral commission results or no their ban or no Simu say or the crater about when he say young council or no where they were there be NDC no until no to aside General Secretary no or no team ba be kasa e NDC ni mo omo abefra. In fact omo send a strong warning to the NDC leaders. Ama we abia semsebe memo nchi de mo no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section how you Penyah block media make sure say any dim obe like if video no that one put subscribe button some be click notification on of latest updates na be kire wadwen ama me e wo comment section so baso no share for onya bia hwe. So last week Saturday twam ye no ana NDC ayewaso East constituency omuko omu primaries parliamentary primaries omuko pe candidate ya nyame adma third match on MPP ni no elibesi ni e wo honomo. Now you know honomo it was more or less as a bonanza because candidate na omu contest no in fact na sika wo mu nsem ejan na brabaji wani ye che 3000 e wo envelope mu ye che 32 inches television set ye che Okada motor brand new ye che motor munu dwan brand new to be we ya na de kia he onsem gine tu pu na wo ko ba bi petrol wo mu a che say omu border get ho kankasa emoni anwanu kosua ne mako nyina pie mu ho no mo pad nyina pie mu kivo gade nyina pie mu ho no dade no ewuziana enya asem kuma na adiba ye no na se edin a ya boy Baba Jamal etinam so ama NDC for at the end of the day no ewo Baba Jamal e na win ne ye but NDC for the crata about na as omu general secretary send na shase 50 democratic on the shase awutim say adena si ye no a vote buying, but omu carry investigation into that. But omu condemn the current act no. Now they never look forward to seeing something similar in the near future. Later, I know that cut out from Mahama so ya aba. I said Baba Jamal na on any din air trend no. Ya the position every in some. What I say? Ya the position every because later na be chirimu say among all the appointees no, onu kwa na public officer. Your honor serve as Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria. Yes, sir. Ono nkwa na ye government appointee. Eti aje ne position every nisem. Ama ono so kra ebe kasa aye. Na busia, ohwen se de enema esi ekwa. Eya abotu no mkoto ye. Ana nipa bebre, nipa e contest ye. Obi ache bibi. Baba Jamal eche TV set. Obi che 50 million. Obi che moto. What I say? Obi che moto. Ye compare Baba Jamal TV no chair ye no. Enuru moto obi chair ye. Ko TV. Our cost why be about 1,005. And it could do papa. Buy them for 1,005. Enuru moto ade bo na 15,000. Enuru. It is here about Baba Jamal send you more. Any de omo no ye no. Na ye you omo dey. Na ye omo dey. E me buy ye no. And this impending for our Parliament House. Just say majority that in Parliament. Honorable Mahama Ayariga. The crata babontene. SNI. Omu air cancel electoral results. Election results now easy at the buy. I say at the end of the day, Baba Jamal and Rene. Mahama crata the buy just say one cassette wa cancel election results. Name like I said, Baba Jamal was in position everything same Gonano. Or contest for MP 89 year. You move also a measure honomo. But Mahama Ayariga a cat out the babontino. And no na say electoral commission at organize election. Now at the end of the day, declare winner no. Mahama Ayariga as one TRC say Baba Jamal I vote by in 10 years. Young council election, then got 24. That was I know. And this very good work we say now Mahama Ayariga ko no ya dey be when this nimu general secretary akasa wie onu kasa wie ye asa eni se obi wo fro be kasa fa se we hu biem. But at the end, after General Secretary Chino, mere party member, I say, or your majority there in Parliament, or just MP. Every General Secretary Chi, ebe issue crata for fro, said a young fact, yenina crata we so, and cancel election results. No, names I'm going to offer almost tiasi. It is some of the NDC communicators, Deputy General Secretary, Mustapha Gbande, and some of the NDC TikTokers omo abe blasted Mahama Ayariga. They must have sent a strong warning to the NDC man here with Baba Jamal, don't Baba Jamal one here, Papa Emma NDC nemo.
Ayariga, we Zongo youth, we choose who is coming to lead our Zongo youth. You are not the one who is going to choose what we want. They are there for 30 years. We have not achieved anything. Charlie, we don't want that kind of partiality. We don't want fight in Nima. We are living in peace. Let us be in peace. Let's live in peace. Don't generate any problem in Nima. What do you mean? What are you trying to tell us? That we don't know what we are doing? You people say we should vote, and we vote for a good leader. We vote for a changing. So we need change in our Zongo community. I swear to Allah, we don't need anybody apart from Baba Jamal. I swear to Allah, if you want to bring problem in Nima, then do it. We don't want problem in Nima. We want peace. We want peace. We the youth, we are suffering in the Zongo community. We know what is going on in our Zongo community. So let us choose the leader that we want, and we choose it. So what is your problem? What is your problem? You don't like Baba Jamal? I'm seeing that you people doesn't like Baba Jamal. I swear. You people doesn't like Baba Jamal in the parliament. Because you know what he's coming to do. He's coming to do good work. That is why you people are scared of him. Now we are seeing where it's coming from. Now we can see. The day of election, you people are serving Baba Jamal letter. You people are serving Baba Jamal letter to resign as Nigeria ambassador. What kind of HS is it? Why? Why? Is it the only person that we sharing? You people all are sharing. Everybody are sharing. Not only one person. All people in parliament are sharing things to us. Is it the only first person that is doing that? Where is the 80 coming from? Please, we need peace. We need peace.
Assalamu alaikum. This one is an emergency. And then what we've been hearing right now, I have some information that there is a letter from the majority in parliament and some few others. That's majority leader and some few others. That there is going to be nullified the election in East Ayawaso. I don't understand. Did they think East Ayawaso we are stupid? You know, what the charges is that buying of votes. Buying of votes. Did they think we are stupid? East Ayawaso. That we don't know what we are doing. What did they take us for? You know, Nima is not the place where they can be used again. Now, what the parliamentarians, some of those who hate Baba Jamal were saying, I want to ask them, didn't they ever buy votes in their constituency? Vote buying is happening everywhere. Oh yes. Almost 90% of the work done at Akotia by-election just recently is on the shoulders of Baba Jamal. Oh yes. So what they were saying is neither here nor there. It's an insult to us. It's an insult to us. The previous election, you know, there is exchange of hand. And the election before that, there are changes of hand. What is the difference here? I don't understand. We're needing Hankalini. So if they dare try, you know, they are going to cause damage in this constituency for NDC. I'm advising them not to dare. Did they think that the supporters, the lovers of Baba Jamal will keep quiet? The man has won the election. we said we don't want you to force Matan Takaba on us because Nima is a seat of ulamas. Nima is a seat of chiefs, traditional Zongo chiefs. Nima is a seat of honorable people. Why did you want to change our culture? Because you are supporting one woman. We voted for Baba Jamal because he deserves it. It's not because of any money or buying votes. Assalamu alaikum.
Vote buying. Please, they shouldn't go there. They shouldn't go there. But that had been the phenomenon of all the political parties, especially in their elections. What is vote buying? Look at the candidates that Baba stood with. Does he need to buy votes? No. In fact, if the New Odwekwa family has its own way, we will finance Baba's campaign throughout for him not to spend even the peswa. Because he's more than qualified for the job. He is more than qualified. You can tag the other contestants for vote buying, but not with Baba. Baba need not buy votes. But as we know him, Baba is somebody who is so generous. You cannot go to him and he will look at you to return just like that. Baba is so generous. So this vote buying matter, it is pure hypocrisy on the part of those who are saying it. Pure hypocrisy. I've seen the statement from the majority in Parliament. And then what the majority has said, the majority caucus, what they have said, I've seen 16 people signing that document representing each of the 16 regions in Ghana. And then the minority, they said they also support what the majority have said. Look at these people. This is hypocrisy to the highest level. They should show me any of them who had been in Parliament that they didn't spend anything. They didn't give any gifts before they became parliamentarians. Look, research had been made. There is a research work. I can't remember offhand which organization did that research. And they gave the amount a parliamentarian have to spend before becoming a parliamentarian. And then that of a presidency. So what are they saying? Where does that money go? It goes to the delegates. Until these delegates matter, we do away with it. As for the sharing of items, it will come. But that doesn't mean that if somebody shares anything, he wants to influence, vote for him or herself. So that topic, they should not be mentioning it. And then we have heard also that the NDC are going to have a probe. It's a waste of everybody's time. It's a waste of everybody's time. They shouldn't go there at all. And if some people, and I'm cautioning the NDC, I'm cautioning them, they should not cut their nose to spite their face. They shouldn't cut their nose to spite their face. Baba is more qualified. They shouldn't allow others to choose a candidate for them. Otherwise, it will not augur well for the community. Thank you very much.
Committee report, I was saying about
China. Na party ni take a decision.
To all intent and purpose. Say annual results.
Call for sad.
The majority in Parliament. Majority in Parliament.
Oh, who are they? People should be careful.
The members of the majority caucus of the NDC in Parliament has become aware of the widely circulated allegations of vote buying in the just concluded NDC parliamentary primary in the Ayawaso East constituency in the Greater Accra region. The caucus wishes to strongly condemn these developments against the background of the agenda to reset the politics of this country. After extensive deliberations on the matter, the core leadership, as well as the extended leadership of the caucus, has resolved to communicate to the Functional Executive Committee of the NDC as follows. 1. That the primary of the NDC organized in Ayawaso East constituency be annulled immediately. 2. That any candidate who participated in the said primary and has been established to have engaged in this unethical conduct be banned from participating in the subsequent primary after the annulment of the decision. In the Omonoman calling for investigation in Pomo, the Omosi Munchem Bane aspirants. This is the majority, and it's signed by 16 caucus leaders of the majority per each region. Region be a caucus leader from
listen, watch my face. They are locusless.
Omuni locus.
The
parliamentary
you're careful. And now some number. You see, a responsible political party, the moment general secretary are communicating, nobody have a locus. It's like normally the youth wing of the party can also issue a statement. Women's wing, diaspora caucus, Zongo caucus. Is that how we run a party?
No.
What is this? General secretary, after consultation with the leadership, political committee and everything, was directed to issue a statement and say this is the way of the party. What is their locus in this? Secondly, on say okọ be na see ye pa kronfo omo amubu kronfo kunu no
eya na bebre na aka
omo na ye kronfo no. Which of them is not guilty of what has happened?
Offense way. So
what is this? Why won't you leave the party to take the decisions or the actions you want to take, and you go out there to make this thing?
Now,
at the end of the day,
what surprises me is majority of the members of the majority, you can't say caucus, no, are lawyers. I mean, say BBSC. Now you don't even call for investigations straight away, annul the vote, ban the people involved. Really?
Oh, is that how we should act in this country? Democracy no legislators we natural mu. And for me statement me feel it so bad. So bad.
Especially
as we speak, many of them, majority of them are buying things and keeping in their home to even determine who become a branch chairman, who become a branch secretary. They shouldn't look, they shouldn't put some of us. We want the sanctity of the party. Yes, I stand for it. Any decision that will come from the committee investigation, whatever, I will stand for it. Because what did we call for? We called to reset this country. And the political party that called for a reset of the country, say Bibia Kosune the party image but call into distributor. And then we can say I'm familiar with this person, where Madame Funti, because Jilane Chipimpina, Edi Ngwasha brain. Any decision will have its ups and downs, consequences in the back, but we are looking at a global view. How this thing went viral and international media has looked at it, and the personality involved was a diplomat. Are you getting me? That was why the president have to go the route he went. Are you getting me? Enti party a communicating president ni route naba. You say come humble. This should sober every individual in the NDC. Say if you don't apply maturity, this is how it will end you. Because which of us can say a by-election, we don't do certain things that will motivate the voting public to give us the leverage. We do, but sensibility. So and when we apply sensibility and maturity, na wato jemwa kra no neman ni kronu. Why? oh minia we de watom yemfa unsi nchen yempe then injection violet ni abombelet bi mu so ni abombelet amoxicillin bi mu na yemfa fra powder Saturday night powder na dressing powder na yemfa crack ewu a dachi bi nyame betina e wadum. That is how we should go. But obia jumpy like kill the baby with the bathroom water because we dry na we jan in egu hun enti kunu ukunu ya then obinya. Are you getting me? Nobody will support whatever went on to say oh I see that one but how we humble ourselves in this whole process is a careful. It's a curve, you know, in the political practice, you know, every time you meet a curve, but how do you navigate that curve? You navigate in a year or China, you will see your way clear. Until we must I think from the top to largely majority of the grassroots, nobody is happy with it because it didn't speak well. I know people are agitating. It's part in here where look, everybody should humble himself. Be humble because me, the reason why many people will say Anthony de Umbuadi or say me, I am the only person who can tell you take your foot. I don't need it. Say me can open carry your foot. Because you see, me, I've never gone to election on election day say me chardy. In the process of campaigning, every constituency I make the army one me the mom to say yes, my bar, my free bro, my betina, my betie me. Ni wia me wio election day. So Benyami say me kita tekuni sempo me ma me ni bi. Muntu ma muntu. Enfa me ho. Because I don't have that capacity say we di call around crap on easy o. Enye easy so be mobilize say Charlie every concern me kwa e bia looking at the terrain baby ankofuni fin okay e bia 2000 e bia 3000 e bia 5000 just say mudi sorti mu ho na me we abre abetenasi election day now say mo free maba mi mama mamuntu mi maw yes. And everybody can attest me election day I don't do it because nyame won me the abrem wo hono ene musumu dia ni say mo ba be kire me odo na nyina yetu anamo abodi party. Are you getting me? Haven't you seen this thing happening when people you see shamefully on them? Some of them who are talking today, we have pictures of what they branded in the last primaries, what they ice chest cook nyama fumbi normal cause say for China. Excuse me to say this. Normal be chama women organizers, youth organizers, nyama fun enye dimampu. And they are talking today in Parliament. Please. He who never commit that sin should take the first stone and cast.
Cast the first stone.
Are you getting me? Why are you jumping ahead of the party's decision or the party's roadmap? Why? It is an act of indiscipline
on the part of the
majority caucus.
The majority caucus.
Yes. When the general secretary of a party speaks, nobody, whoever you are nobody. That is the communication of the party. Finish. Wait until the next step. Who will be there? Fako committee name. Then you jump to air and make this statement as if say party near headless. Where are we going? Timi mesre. Obi biara jubrel. I also is for Mamutu Biswabo, Mamutu. Calm down. The party is in a critical decision making. It can be palatable, it can be unpalatable. But at the end of the day, the integrity and the sanctity of the NDC is what we are all looking at. Nobody can vary whatever decision will come. That will be them. And you see, a candidate has emerged, but without the letterhead and the signature of the general secretary to EC, he can't file.
Yeah, that's true.
He or she cannot file.
That's true.
And the supporters may not know this. Anything you win, yes, you have won. We have had it before. People have won election, but they didn't file.
Before we need primaries, but now
yes,
on the team of the party. Yeah.
So everybody should come. Now, if influences and emotions should be taken out of this. Look, I was so tense and bad looking at Obi friend say, I'm not declare whether you were happy or you were not happy. We didn't know what was happening. How will I be happy? Are you getting me? Me the message. You was said here, and Greater Accra, volatile region and a volatile constituency. Also, and yeah, we can joke with the emotions of the people there. So whatever will come out, we need to navigate it and make sure say obiati I say look ni akoso ni akwaba nyina no eye party ni do ni party ni dachi any fortunately ye ne ye kra on my Ghana the international look and the local look of the people who gave us the mandate, everything come to play at the table. I get me say your man be so na we are if you nipa na sample say oh me na me kan so me there mejem enko. That is maturity. But yeah my mu there it's like say kankan kra na be junti na ekrim.
But there are those who believe and so say in all of this no one person seems to be targeted.
No,
I say obi anipa ba ko no obi ebo ni dey.
Fine.
Allegations then so were say almost all the aspects
and nothing a committee no is taking the pieces.
Okay.
Is taking the pieces. Yes will be yeah. But
yes.
But would you na beto dwa? Would you beto dwa yes investigate but enye won kwa na investigate. Before, during and after what happened? What gravity of material inducement and a course across the candidates? If people can be bold and go and say yes, meji say, this is the evidence. That is firm.
Should I watch your mommy? Comment section. How you Penyah Media?